India, we still had fear of reduction of government jobs. So whenever you try to implement a e-governance solution in the office, many people think that their jobs will be cut and they will not like to cooperate. So unless there is involvement, there is participation from the people who are the stakeholders, you cannot make e-governance a success. A new law is still a new field, but many e-readiness efforts have already taken place in India, and of course Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka are the leading states as far as e-readiness is concerned, and many more states now have taken up this in a more enthusiastic manner. And Information Technology Act 2000 has made many provisions which will make e-governance a success. It has streamlined the regulatory environment, a public-private partnership, there is a National Institute of Smart Governance, and there the public administrators are going to be taught about the different factors of e-governance. Because what I believe is, unless a bureaucrat, if he is not computer savvy, then whatever you do, he is not going to get the feeling of involvement and ownership of a project. And unless a bureaucrat, anybody who is managing the project, unless he feels the ownership of owning that particular project himself, he is not going to take interest and it is not going to succeed. So training and creating awareness of technology among the bureaucrats is highly important. And many such e-readiness measures have been taken. I'll go fast because I have too many slides just to show. I'll not dwell on those slides. These are all screen dumps of what we have done for a particular citizen-centric project. This again, legal recognition of electronic records and digital signature has been accepted because the judiciary has now accepted digital signature as an authentic document. Regulation of certifying authorities, all these are part of our Government of India's Information Technology Act 2000. Other recommendations, 5-year IT plan for every department. It also says that 2 to 3% of each department's budget should be allocated for implementation of ICT in the department. Spreading awareness of IT, local language-based computerization, availability of computers, email, and changing the recruitment qualifications. They should be aware about computers before they get into the government service. E-governance initiative in Orissa, DISNIC, that is the National Informatics Center, they are present in each district. Government treasury computerization, commercial tax, computerization in transport sector, that we have done in a big way. The transport sector, OCAC has developed all the solutions for computation in the transport sector. Teleconferencing networks, 7 districts are already connected with the teleconferencing facility. GramSat pilot project, that's 2 Mbps connectivity is coming to each district. E-school project, we are training the school children right from the 4th standard onwards on computers. Telemedicine network, training of government officials. These are software export that has taken place in Orissa, 220 crores. Starting from nil or 97-98, we have only 5 crores. 1 crore is 10 millions. So we have now reached 220 crores. So this is, Orissa is now 7th in the country as far as export is concerned. Relevant technology, I was telling that some technology, the administrators, the bureaucrats should be aware of the various technologies, and it has been found that whether it is Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh, it is only a few champions who have made a lot of difference as far as the implementation of ICT is concerned. And those champions are computer savvy. You cannot really uh, make a success unless you have computer savvy people in the bureaucracy. So extensive networking and data warehousing and data mining, object-oriented technology, these things have really revolutionized the concepts of implementation of ICT. So these concepts should be quite properly understood and assimilated by the people who are going to implement this e-governance. I'm not going to dwell on each of these. Many of us know about these technologies, but these are very important technologies. And slowly the XML is changing the whole scenario of web publications. Because if we are talking about e-governance, there is a vast amount of knowledge in e-governance which needs to be properly stored, properly retrieved, and you cannot do all these in HTML. It has to be changed over to XML. The GIS, already discussions had been there yesterday, and we have to have intelligent user interfaces. I'm sorry. So I'll look fast. Local language support, technology development, Indian languages, security and privacy, digital signature, security policy and governance. We have, as I mentioned, corporate portals should be based on XML and spreading the awareness about the technology. So I'll just show some of the screen dumps of what we have done for a citizen-centric application which has been implemented in the Kalahandi, one of the most backward district of Odisha.